Alright, so today we are going to be I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful, sexy unit on my head. This is a closure wig, and I made it with 3 bundles and the closure, like I said, and I used the BeauFox hair. I'm going to link it in the description box below. It was 14 inches. I definitely cut about like 2 inches off this, and I did it via water method, which saved me so much time. I love dyeing hair via the water method. So let's just hop right into this. All right, so this is the final look. She came out really, really cute. I love her. I ended up cutting like about 2 inches off of her. I just basically cut off the pointy ends. I did not want that look. I wanted a nice blunt cut look, which I definitely got. I cut it with my clippers. I do not record myself cutting and sewing my wig because you guys see me in plenty of other videos do that. So this is the final look. I put all 3 bundles in my wig. This is all 3 bundles, so it is very thick, which I love. And once again, remember guys, this is a closure. This is not a frontal, so I just have this part, which I'm gonna show you guys the sides. As you can see, my sides are not easy. I do not have the elastic band around. I'm going to sew that in because it is loose. I use my Got2b spray just to hold it intact as of right now. That's what is holding this part down. But I am going to put the elastic band, because once you put the elastic band, you shouldn't have to use any type of glue or anything. But if you're like me, you're going to do a little bit of the Got2b glue spray, just to give it a little secure holdage, because that's just my preference. But yeah, this is her. This is she. It is very cute. Once again, I used the Adore Ruby Red, and I used 2 bottles for it. I used the whole entire 2 bottles because I re-dipped. As you can see in the video, I re-dipped all my bundles a second time just so it can really take the vibrant color. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I'm going to link to it in the description box below. I'm going to put the name of the color that I used in the description box below. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, and like this video for weekly hair reviews and how-to videos and all that good stuff. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.